Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take another look at two stocks we recently did video reviews for. We released a video on Novo Integrated Sciences Inc., ticker symbol NVOS, back on Thursday, May 30th, 2024. And we also released a video on Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc., ticker symbol GWAV, on May 22nd, 2024. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out 8 100% plus runners for our premium private Discord members on Friday, May 31st, 2024, and here are the top 3. We called out ADRT on Friday, May 31st, 2024 in our private Discord before it ran up 406%. We also called BNAI on May 31st before it ran up 224%. And NVOS, which we're featuring an update on in this video, was called pre-market on May 31st before it ran up 200%. We're just made different, This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it. First, with an update on Novo Integrated Sciences Inc., NVOS. Novo Integrated Sciences provides multidisciplinary primary care, wellness products, treatment management, and rehabilitative services, and it operates clinical facilities in Canada. In our last video review, we mentioned that the company filed an 8K announcing that it received written confirmation of a ready, willing, and able being issued by HSBC to monetize a standby letter of credit. The company is expected to receive approximately $78 million in gross funding proceeds on or before June 14, 2024, and intends to use the proceeds toward the acquisition and sole ownership of the GIA-certified Ophir collection, a well-known gemstone collection. It plans to monetize the gem collection and combine this with the previously disclosed receipt of funds from the unsecured 15-year $70 million promissory note with RC Consulting Consortium Group, LLC, for a lump sum debt funding of $57 million, less fees and expenses, to provide non-dilutive financing for the company's growth. It is worth noting that the board of directors of Novo previously approved the repurchase of up to $5 million worth of common stock from time to time, and the amount and timing of any repurchases would depend on various factors and would be at the discretion of the company's management. On Friday, May 31st, the board announced it is conducting a strategic review to determine whether it is appropriate to increase the maximum amount that can be repurchased according to the stock repurchase program based on the amount of any excess funds generated from the monetization of the Ophir collection. It's worth noting that the company's market cap is currently $20 million. In light of the line of credit and the acquisition of the Gemstone Collection, this $20 million market cap seems significantly undervalued. Consequently, a higher market cap could be in the cards for NVOS in the near future. Now, the price action of NVOS's stock ran parabolic with a slightly heavy float on Thursday, May 30th and after hours, and on Friday, May 31st, it ran up 200%. Although there isn't any other news right now, it may be worth it for us to keep an eye on NVOS's stock price action this week for any news catalyst or volume that comes in. Now, here's an update on Greenwave Technology Solutions, Inc., ticker symbol GWAV. This company operates 13 metal recycling facilities in Virginia, North Carolina, and Ohio. The company's recycling facilities collect, classify, and process raw scrap metal and use several unique technologies to increase metal processing volumes and operating efficiency processes. On May 29, 2024, the company announced its intent to effect a reverse 1-for-150 stock split of its common stock. The reverse stock split became effective at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, May 31st. It will still be traded on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol GWAV and will begin trading on a reverse split adjusted basis when the market opens tomorrow, Monday, June 3rd, 2024. The reverse stock split is intended to increase the per-share trading price of the common stock to regain compliance with the minimum bid price requirement for continued listing on NASDAQ. This 1-for-150 split will make GWAV a micro-mini float stock with a new float of 46,000 shares. The pattern we have seen in the past several weeks has been that several of these micro-mini float stocks have run parabolic. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Novo Integrated Sciences, Inc., NVOS, is a publicly traded medical care facilities company that is in the healthcare sector, and Greenwave Technology Solutions, Inc., GWAV, is a publicly traded waste management company that is in the industrial sector. Both companies have had news recently, and we will be watching them. With the right increase in volume, we believe they could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will NVOS and GWAV run parabolic? They will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade these stocks. This is not advice. We are not pros. It's just my opinion, and I will have NVOS and GWAV on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.